Hey there, I'm Chase Hansen, your DFW Realtor, here today sitting at a beautiful home in West Fort Worth for an open house. Actually holding open for a friend of mine, but I figured I'm already here, might as well give you guys a tour. This home is in a beautiful development just west of the 820 loop, so easy access to downtown, but without the suburban feel. You walk into the home through a real wood front door into a dramatic navy blue entryway. The first thing you walk into is a front office with French doors that could be easily converted into anything you want to use it for. Then we walk into a beautiful kitchen with modern dark stained wood cabinets, plenty of storage between the cabinets and the pantry, and a light gray granite that's in style right now, on a large island open to the whole living space. Over here you can see my open house gear set up. I always like to have some treats out and make people feel welcome. The trick to a good open house is to make people feel like you're expecting them. Over here we have a designated laundry room with plenty of space for side-by-side washer and dryer, and then over here a coat closet for extra front-of-house storage. Then we'll head into our first bedroom here, which unfortunately has a light bulb out. Inconvenient timing for the open house. But we'll keep moving into a great flexible second living space, which is a little bit more private, whether you wanted an additional family room, second office, playroom, or even you could add a wall to make it a fourth bedroom. Don't worry, paint is cheap if you don't like purple. Next, our second bedroom. This one has cool built-ins that adds a great extra bit of character. It still carries through the high ceilings like the rest of the house. Alright, now let's make our way back up this hallway. On the right up here we have a full bathroom serving the main areas of the house with granite counters, a shower top combo, and carrying that great wood look tile from the floors up into the shower. And like I just mentioned, the floors throughout are that wood look tile, which is super durable and easy to clean. Great for pets and kids since you can't really scrape them up. The living room is already set up for a TV mount, has great windows for tons of natural light, a really great open space. Now moving into the primary bedroom that also has tons of light, keeps those high ceilings going, and has plenty of room for a big king bed. It has a huge walk-in closet with 3 layers of hanger bars, so a great amount of closet space for a house in this size and price point. The primary ensuite has a double vanity with plenty of storage, cabinets of granite finishes that match the kitchen, a soaker tub lined with more of that cool wood look tile that's in style right now, and shower with glass framed out to match the fixtures, a great touch of detail. They really thought about carrying consistent style through the whole house when it comes to finishes, one of the benefits that you get with a house built in 2019. Here's another view of that open concept living that people like so much. Your living, dining, and kitchen all flowing together as one dynamic living space. Now we walk out onto a private patio space with a great backyard, perfect for grilling out, playset for the kids, dogs, however you want to live your life. You can really see how the light and dark finishes of this house make it both modern and homey, high contrast but still warm. And let's take a quick peek at the 2-car garage, plenty of room to park and still fill with all your unfinished home projects. And that about does it for my quick home tour. Let me know what you think about the house in the comments, and make sure you've liked the video and subscribed. If you or someone you know are looking to move in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'm a realtor based in the center of DFW, serve the whole area for both buyers and sellers, and would love to help. My contact info is in my channel, and you can also reach out through my Instagram @HansenRealtorsDFW.